Hey, dude.
Hey, man. Where have you been?
Dude, remember I was camping out for the release of that new DVD?
What DVD are you talking about?
Oh, Vulture Mine. You know, the accurate recounting of the entire history of Vulture Mine.
How long did you wait again?
3 weeks, dude.
Okay. And when were you planning on watching this?
Dude, tonight.
Oh, yeah.
Why'd you need to know where I was?
Well, you know, curiosity was killing the cat.
I get you. Dude, what's that noise?
Dude, I told you, curiosity was killing the cat.
When you said curiosity was killing the cat, I thought you meant it was like a figure of speech.
What kind of a figure of speech is that?
Why? It's so cold! It's very common for someone to say curiosity's killing the cat because they were curious about something.
That is a messed up figure of speech. How dare you even use that?
Yeah, very many. Curiosity is just. Curiosity killed the cat. It's been used since I was little. I'm pretty sure it's.
You know what? The Humane Society is gonna come for you just for saying that. I mean, so what if it's a figure of speech? That's just messed up.
There's a man killing someone in this house. And
Yeah. Dude, you're talking about killing cute little kittens. That's sick. You're a sick man.
I'm genuinely concerned for this poor lad who's being brutalized in our living room.
Hey, did you ever think that he deserves it?
What?
Does it matter? No.
I think it matters a little.
Why? No, stop it! Wait, why are you wearing flip-flops?
Because it makes my toesies feel breezy.
Even your toes are badass.
Why did
It is done.
You know, this whole interaction has really killed my desire to watch Vulture Mine, an accurate recounting of the events of Vulture Mine.
You know, that's not necessarily a bad thing. Why did you buy that anyways?
Why wouldn't I want Vulture Mine, an accurate recounting?
Please, stop. Now.
Alright. Well, so, what happens now?
Well, usually after curiosity kills the cat, the new cat is selected.
How is the new cat selected?
Would you say you're curious as to how?
Yeah, a little bit.
Bingo.
Wait, what?